Hey, what's up? In this video, we are learning how we can create a resource group with the use of Python. So for that, make sure you install the Python in your system. So here you go, Python installed, and here make sure you install your Python as per your operating system. And then another thing is required to install the Azure CLI. I think this, yeah. So go to Google and search install the Azure CLI for and your operating system name Windows or Linux. I'm in a Windows, so just go here, copy this, and open CMD and paste it, and it will be installed. I have already installed, so didn't I don't install again. And then do as don't do as that login. If instead of this, run this command. Go to your CMD and run this command. Use device code. Copy the code, go to link and paste this code and add your account and do continue. And then just copy this subscription ID and then go to your code editor.env and paste to the Azure subscription ID and make two more environment variables, that is Azure resource group name, and give any name as you want to create a resource group, and give location. For location, or again go to the Chrome and write Azure regions. Go here, and here you can see lots of regions. Select the as per your need, and then it will be done in .env file, and also create one requirement.txt. This package is required just to copy and paste. It will be available on, just go Azure for Python and go documentation, and here you can see of all that gets started, and we have to manage the group and create a resource group. Yeah, here you can see the both the requirement library and all the process I am showing, and go to the main.py and first import all the libraries that are needed, that is OS Azure Identity and Azure Management Resource. Then create a authentication credential. So from our .env file, just get take on your own file, then create a management client, then a credential that are this, and subscription ID that also comes from our .env file. And now you have to create a resource group. For that, first create one variable name is any name you want. I giving the RG result, and in a resource group resource client, we have to get a one function that is a resource group, and in resource group we have to create or update our resource group name, that is this, and this comes from our environment variable and location, that is enter India, and that's it. Our resource group is created. And if we want to add a text in our resource group or update, again the same process, and also just add real text and what text you want to add, and that's it. And we will delete soon, and just go to run terminal, just to Python pd01 python main.py, and it will be creatable a resource group. Yeah, our resource group is created. Just go to your Azure portal resource group and do refresh. Here you can see our Python RG is created. To delete them, to delete this, just go to here, and here he will write create or update. Here do begin underscore delete and our resource group name, and just go run it again. It will be delete our resource group. So just wait and see. Yeah, that's it. I think for the deletion it's take time. Yeah, it's I think it's done. Just go to home, resource group. Yeah, here you can see our resource group is deleted. So yeah, that's it for this video. And also you can get a source code from a description. Yeah, thanks for